Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like the owner of a black Mercedes-Benz. If you have a black Mercedes-Benz, please listen carefully. Your car in the Air Force parking lot is tagged EBW 7895. Please report to your vehicle immediately. The security people are standing by to break in. We don't want to do that, but please report to your vehicle immediately. The owner of a black Mercedes-Benz, EBW 7895. From Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Alan aileron rolls the airplane 2 times as he comes down the flight line this time, setting up for his bomb run. Tanks at 27.5 gallons for an additional 55 gallons. Powering up into the sky in his own personal e-ticket ride, Alan H. Smith. I had the opportunity to ride in the L-39 and fly it last year, and it is an absolute dream to fly in an air-conditioned cockpit where everything just clicks together. 6,000 feet per minute, graduating to a constant rate of climb of 4,800 feet per minute. It can cruise at 430 miles per hour, although its normal cruise speed at a more fuel efficient is 345. Its maximum dive speed or never exceed speed is 600 miles per hour. Plus 4 250-pound or 2 500-pound bombs. Its other capability is for 2 1.75 Zuni rocket pods, 4,000 feet. As it comes over the top, let you know this aircraft has about 6,800 pounds of thrust, and utilizing the re-engineering process that he is putting on the Super Albatros. There's the bottom, there's the side, and there's the top. The L-39C owned and has restored 2 Aero L-39s and a Navy C-34B. That was his photo pass, ladies and gentlemen. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2006 Willow Grove Airshow. I'm Gordon Bowman Jones. Proudly taking the announcement to you once again. A love with the ladies and gentlemen. Some adults with the things that sound like every year. Brands of vehicles, put them all in one beautiful town, Doylestown, and had an auto rewards program that lets you earn up to $2,000 from your next purchase and much more. Add it all together, and what do you get? Another reason why nobody beats Beans. 18 brands, 1 town, no turbulence. Visit the Fred Beans exhibit today to learn more about auto rewards. The intelligence